Hey there, and welcome to this life-changing guide. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Imagine earning money while you sleep, traveling the world, or spending more time with your loved ones. That's the power of affiliate marketing, and today, I'll show you exactly how to achieve financial freedom through this incredible opportunity. Stick around till the end because you don't want to miss the actionable steps and resources that will help you get started right away. Let's dive in! What is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a way to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or deal with customer service. Your role is to connect buyers with products they already want, and you earn a percentage of the sale. Sounds simple, right? But like any business, success in affiliate marketing requires a plan, effort, and consistency. In this guide, I'll break down everything you need to know, from understanding affiliate marketing basics to building a sustainable strategy that brings you financial freedom. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your journey. Section 1. Why affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways to start an online business. Here's why: low startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses, affiliate marketing doesn't require a significant upfront investment. All you need is a computer, internet connection, and the willingness to learn. Flexibility. You can work from anywhere and set your own schedule. Whether you want to work part-time or go all in, the choice is yours. Scalability. Once you set up your systems, your income potential grows exponentially. With the right strategy, you can promote multiple products and earn from different streams. No product creation. Forget about manufacturing, shipping, or customer complaints. Your focus is solely on marketing. Section 2. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing operates on a simple 4-step process. 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific area of interest or expertise. For example, health and fitness, personal finance, or tech gadgets. 2. Find affiliate programs. Sign up for programs that align with your niche. Some popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareSale, and CJ Affiliate. 3. Create content. Drive traffic to your affiliate links by creating valuable content. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, or social media posts. 4. Earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Section 3. Step-by-step guide to get started. 1. Define your goals. Determine how much you want to earn and set realistic milestones. 2. Pick your niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about and has high demand. Research trends and analyze your competition. 3. Sign up for affiliate programs. Look for trusted programs that offer good commission rates. Make sure they have quality products and reliable tracking systems. 4. Build your platform. Decide where you'll share your content. Options include starting a blog, YouTube channel, or leveraging social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. 5. Create high-quality content. Your content should solve problems, answer questions, or entertain your audience. Use a mix of formats such as tutorials, reviews, and how-to guides. 6. Drive traffic. Use SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid ads to attract visitors to your platform. 7. Optimize and scale. Analyze your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to see what's working and double down on successful strategies. Section 4. Tips for long-term success. Be authentic. Promote products you genuinely believe in and have tested. Provide value. Focus on helping your audience rather than just selling. Stay consistent. Post content regularly and engage with your audience. Invest in learning. Stay updated on trends and improve your skills through courses and networking. Diversify income streams. ***. Don't rely on just one program or platform. Explore multiple opportunities. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Picking a niche you're not passionate about. Promoting to many products at once. Ignoring analytics and failing to adapt. Using spammy tactics to drive traffic. Giving up too soon. Congratulations! You now have a complete roadmap to achieving financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed, keep learning, and take consistent action. If you're ready to start, check out the links in the description for recommended tools and resources to kickstart your journey. And here's your call to action. Subscribe to this channel for more valuable tips on building your online business. Share this video with anyone who dreams of financial freedom. Leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway or question. I'll be sure to reply. See you in the next video.